Have you ever felt proud of yourself? Like, I have been cooking pilau for the longest time, but it has never looked this pretty. Anyway, najua nachoma, but that's the truth. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare pilau, and we're gonna start right now. So in today's video, the video. So in today's video, we're gonna be using basmati rice, and first thing before using any rice, be sure to rinse it 2 to 3 times so that you can get rid of the excess starch. That is for one. So rinse it, wash it, whatever you want to call it, but don't wash it with soap, of course. Just to rinse it and give it a little bit of maji. Anyway, into a sufuria, add in your oil, your onions. Okay, the joy that I had knew no bounds. Anyway, add in your onions and then give it a little bit of stir before adding in your vegetable oil. So once that is done, add in your vegetable oil, and never at one point shun or feel shy to add in oil. So as you can see, the onions have already soaked up the oil that I had. So I'm gonna add in some oil, but don't add in excess. That's for one. Next up, add in your salt and give this a little bit of stir and let the onions cook for a while. Next up, add in your pre-cooked meat. As you can tell, the meat has already been boiled, and mix it well. Let the meat marinate with the oil as well as with the onions. You don't want your meat tasting like chemshwa. It doesn't make sense, but it's okay. Anyway, mix it well and let it marinate with the onions and the oil. Again, you don't need a lot of meat to cook your pilau. Like, this was a lot. You don't need that much of meat. Hey, forgive my English atakama. Anyway, next up, add in your garlic and your tangawizi and mix it again. Allow your meat to marinate with the ingredients. Mix that up, don't be in a hurry, just mix it up. So on to adding our spices. In this recipe, we only need one spice, and that is pilau masala only, and that's the game changer. So we're going to be adding 2 heaped teaspoons of pilau masala. Remember, I'm using 2 cups of rice, so 2 heaped teaspoons of pilau masala will be enough. Mix it up and let everything marinate together. So mix that up again, allow the ingredients to marinate. Next up, I'm going to be using this tomato paste from Kenzie tomato paste, and I'm going to be using 2 to 3 cans of the tomato paste. Remember, I've not used any fresh tomatoes, I've just used the tomato paste, so I'm going to be using 2 to 3 cans. You can use 2. If you need more tomato or more color to your pilau, you can use 3. So mix that up. Again, allow your ingredients to marinate. Allow them to mix well. Mix it up. And then next up, I'm going to be adding in my dry rice. Remember, I already washed it. As you can see, it doesn't have water. It's so dry. And this is how you want to prepare your rice each and every time you're doing it. Just wash it prior and then let it dry and drain the water. So mix this up. Mix it. And now for the water. We know we're going to need water. For the water, you need water that has already boiled. So as you can see, this water is steaming, meaning it's already boiled, it's hot. And since I'm using basmati rice, which is very different from pishori, I used 2 cups of rice, which will be equivalent to 3 cups of water. 2 cups of rice equivalent to 3 cups of water. If you can remember, in the pishori rice, we used 1.5 cup, which was equal to 3 cups of water. So it's different. So when it's boiling, you wanna cover it so that the water can disappear or evaporate. Oh my gosh! Cover it, and once it's like this, you don't need fire, you don't need the flame. Once the water has drained, once the water has evaporated, once the water has disappeared, you don't need any source of heat. So zima your gas, zima your jiko, and then use the foil and the lid. cover your rice with the foil and cover it with the lid. And once that is done, this is how your rice will be. So like guys, this is the end of the video. Hear it from you on the comment section if you enjoyed the recipe. Till next time, let me see you on my next video. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, in case you'd like a recipe on how to make the guacamole salad, comment down below. Bye.